Hallo und willkommen in meiner YouTube. Okay, let's get started. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, hello. Welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're gonna learn how to do this. This is called a stereoscope. It was a big thing 2 years ago, but you know, I catch on slowly. So here we go. So this is ripped from an effect from a camera called a Mianmani or a Masimoni or a Mimosa. You can look it up. It's got 4 lenses. Takes a picture all at once from each lens, and then it goes science. Back and forth gives a sort of 3D wiggle effect. But I'm going to show you how to do it without a very specific piece of kit. Let's jump into it. Right, you dirty dogs. Open up Photoshop. Okay, God, I need to tell you how to do it, don't I? Right, hang on, 2 seconds. Right. So, DSLR camera. Basically, what you want to do is you want to take your first photo. You're then going to take another photo, but you're going to twist ever so slightly, rotating the camera. We're going to be going photo, twist, photo, twist, photo. You want to get your subject to follow the camera with their eyes, but remain completely still. Right? No movement at all, right? Once you've done that, open up Photoshop. I'm going to drag your 3 photos into Photoshop. They're going to go bang, bang, bang on top of each other. Look at that. Stack them on top of each other. Come to the second image. Drop the opacity down. Command T, and then you're just going to want to resize it so that they all match the faces. Don't worry about the backgrounds, just match the faces. Bring the opacity back up. Open your final image. Opacity down, and you guessed it, we're going to match this one to the other one below it. Opacity back up. Lovely. So now we've got 1 image, 2 image, 3 image, and you can already see this start to come together as we add and remove each layer. Look at that, kids. Isn't that exciting? Isn't it exciting? I'm excited. Okay, right. Next thing you're going to want to have turned on is your timeline. So go Window, come down here to Timeline and turn that on. Yes, who knew? You can create video timelines in Photoshop. You've got 2 options here, create video timeline, create frame animation. You're going to want to do create frame animation. Make sure your 2 top images are not selected and your background is create frame animation. Bosh! Right, come down here. You want this to be lasting for 0.2 seconds. This is the duration at which the animated GIF will play each image for 0.2 seconds. We got this here. First thing we're going to want to do is come down here to this Add Layer button. Click that. Now, come up to Layer 1. Unhide that and hide the background. And go on the little plus layer button again. And again for the final one. Hide Layer 1. Open Layer 2 and go Lovely. Hide Layer 2. Bring back Layer 1 again. Bang! So, now we should have them repeating in an endless loop, thanks to magic of Photoshop. So you've obviously got to go 1, 2, 3, and then back to 2, so you've got to show number 2 again, but then you're back to 1, so the loop can begin again. So, what does it look like? Nice one! Final thing, we've got a bit of extra baggage here. So, C on the keyboard. It's going to bring up your crop tool, and we just want to get rid of all this extra baggage. And there you go. Cool, bruh. Finally, to save it, come to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. That's going to bring up this dialog box. That's going to bring up this dialog box. That is going to bring up this dialog box so you can see in front of us. Make sure it's selected to GIF, what we want, and then just click Save. And here it is. We can now view it in all its glory. That's pretty cool if you ask me. And so, alles klar. Danke sehr for watching my YouTube video. If you'd like to give this a thumbs up, it does make a difference to me. So give it a thumbs down. I'd really appreciate that. Unsubscribe, and if if you find anyone else who you think might enjoy this channel, tell them to f*** off and go elsewhere and subscribe to somebody else. See you in the next one.